Alright, so we do have doors and windows. They are applying the finishing touches at the moment, and the living room big window, but we can already see the result. Here we go. Boom! So that's the kitchen door. Beautiful. Oh, butter. And then we have the entrance door. Boom. So it is the same key to open both doors. So much practical. Yeah. Then we have the kitchen. Beautiful, if you ask me. We have the laundry room. We can't see through. So this one, the perimeter has not been done yet. The finishes are not there. So we can see the difference before after. Voilà, right now they're working on... Leave it, Potter, leave it. They're working on the bay window in the living room. And because of the tree and the roots that were growing there, we had to remove all the puzzle bricks, and everything underneath was completely rotten, broken. So they have put in place a new step, door step, whatever you call that. Voilà. So hopefully tonight that is done, but I'm not sure they will have time to do all the finishes. All those bits to install everywhere. We'll see, eh? Happy days! A short video to present you our chimney. The fire is roaring and the room is getting warmer and warmer by the minute. So, happy days, happy very day. Allez, we're gonna continue enjoy our fire. Have a nice evening to you. So here's the situation with our chimney, our poêle, our insert. When we bought the house, Suzanna, we really fell in love with the chimney. You've seen the picture, or there are the pictures. Personally, I thought that was a bit too big around. I didn't mind the insert itself, but around that was a bit too big. Anyway, also for a reason of cost, we decided to keep that chimney insert, to change the pipes so that it's up to the norms and it's safe to use. We did a few repairs on the insert itself so that it was functioning. We bought the best wood possible to make it work. And it did indeed work for 3 months, but then it clogged up the whole pipe. And we realized that the air vent was not working normally, efficiently. And so actually that was clogging up the pipe, even though the wood was absolutely perfect. Anyway. Long story short, we had to take the decision to change that insert and get to a poêle, something modern, more efficient, with ceramic, which gives you a nice, comfortable heat. Even though the fire is off, the poêle continues to produce some heat. So that's very nice. The thing is that the dimensions are changing. Of course, the new one is much higher. Is only in length rather than in width, and so we had to take the decision either to remove the top, and that's what I started to do. There's a few pictures because I was behind plastic to prevent the dust from going throughout the house, so I couldn't film, but there's a few pictures. And then I realized by doing that actually it was not just decorum, it was really the pillars are really supporting the whole chimney and etc. So removing the top was not an option. So we had to sacrifice the bottom. And that's where I am now. Yesterday we removed all the bottom and I did some beton in a box so that we can put the new poêle on top of it. And now I'm gonna tile this to make it nice. And voila, those are the reasons. It was not working, not efficient, and we needed space for the new one. Here we go.
Something smoky, I do for you.